consider for a moment making a lifestyle change for a week. How about going plant-based? At the core of this switch is the plant-based diet, healthy choice that entirely focuses on plants. That means no meat, no dairy, no eggs, just pure plant-based nourishment. For an entire week, you'd be substituting your usual diet with one composed of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Admittedly, it may seem daunting, particularly if you're used to a diet abundant in animal-based products, but benefits are intriguing. Envision feeling more energetic, less bloated. Imagine your body expressing its gratitude for the influx of essential nutrients you're delivering. A plant-based diet, when executed correctly, can nutritional dynamo. It's a chance to recalibrate your body, to provide it with respite from processing animal-based foods. Get ready for an expedition of health transformation. Are you geared up? As we conclude this discourse on the plant-based diet, remember that our goal encourages you to shift towards a healthier lifestyle. Let's propagate this tide of well-being together. Day 1, the fresh start. You might feel a sense of excitement mixed with a bit of apprehension. It's a new journey, one that begins with grocery shopping. Imagine walking down the aisles, filling your cart with vibrant fruits, crisp vegetables, and plant-based proteins. Then comes preparing your first vegan meal, a mix of novelty and anticipation that stirs within you. The smell of fresh ingredients, the taste of a new lifestyle. Day 1 ends with a sense of accomplishment, but remember, this is just the beginning. Day 2 to 4, the adjustment phase. This is when your body starts to feel the effects of the diet change. During these days, you may notice some shifts in your energy levels. Initially, there might be a drop as your body transitions away from its usual sources of fuel. But don't fret, this is a typical reaction. As your body adjusts to deriving energy from plant-based foods, you'll likely experience a resurgence, feeling more lively and vibrant. Digestion may also change. You might find your body adjusting to the increased fiber intake. It's not uncommon to experience some bloating or changes in bowel movements. Remember, this is your body detoxifying and adjusting to the new diet. Remember to stay hydrated. It aids digestion and helps alleviate any possible detox symptoms. Make sure you're consuming a variety of foods to get all the necessary nutrients. By the end of day 4, you start to feel a shift. You're getting used to this. Day 5 to 7, the transformation. You're past the adjustment phase and now you're starting to see real changes. As you step into these final days of your vegan week, you're likely noticing a shift in your energy levels. The sluggishness that might have held you back in the first few days is gone, replaced by a renewed vigor, a vitality that feels almost boundless. Your sleep could be improving too. With a diet that's rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, your body is getting the nutrients it needs to rest well and wake up refreshed. Don't be surprised if you're finding it easier to drift off at night and waking up feeling more rested in the morning. And then there's your skin. The glow that comes from a diet loaded with vitamins and antioxidants is hard to ignore. You might find that your complexion is clearer, brighter. It's as if your body is thanking you for the wholesome, plant-based foods you've been feeding it. But the transformation isn't just physical. There's a mental shift as well. You might find yourself feeling more connected to the world around you, more in tune with nature and the creatures that share it with us. This newfound awareness can bring a sense of peace, a satisfaction that comes from knowing you're doing something good for both your body and the planet. By the end of the week, you realize that this was more than just a diet change. It was a lifestyle change. So, what happens when you go vegan for a week? It's a journey of self-discovery and transformation. Over the course of 7 days, our bodies have experienced a shift. The initial adjustment phase may have brought about bouts of hunger, a longing for familiar foods, or even mild discomfort. But as we pushed through, we started to notice the transformation, increased energy levels, better digestion, and an overall sense of lightness. Over the long term, embracing a vegan lifestyle could potentially lower the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and type 2 diabetes. It's a commitment, no doubt, and challenges will arise. There will be days when you miss the comfort of your old diet, but the rewards, both physically and mentally, can be substantial. Whether you decide to continue with a vegan diet or not, this one-week experiment has surely given you a new perspective on food and health. If you've found this journey enlightening, and it's helped you view your food and health from a new perspective, then it's time to act. The power of change lies in our hands, and even the smallest actions can create ripples. We invite you to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Spread the word about the potential benefits of a vegan lifestyle, and the importance of making conscious, healthy choices. It's not just about us, it's about inspiring others to embark on their own journey towards wellness. Together, we can create a community that places health and well-being at its core. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step.